Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials and the first removal step. Park the Dodge Caravan, kill the ignition, and raise the wiper arm carefully so it stays off the glass. Once raised, identify the connector style, hook, pin, or bayonet, because that determines how you release the blade. Use a flathead or your thumb to depress the locking tab and slide the blade off the arm. Make sure to support the arm so it doesn't snap back onto the windshield. Now you install the new blade assembly. Line up the adapter on the replacement blade with the Caravan's arm connector and test fit to confirm orientation. Once aligned, slide the blade onto the arm until you hear or feel the locking click. This confirms engagement. Make sure the rubber blade sits flush along the entire edge. If it kinks, remove and reseat it. Repeat the process for the other arm and clean the pivot and glass so the new blades can seat properly. Finish by lowering the arms gently onto the windshield and running the wipers at low speed to verify smooth motion and even contact. If you see streaking, make sure the blade is seated correctly, then clean the windshield and blade edge. If streaks persist, swap the blade. If an arm won't lock or it snaps back, inspect the connector for damage and replace the adapter or arm as needed. Make sure to test again and address any abnormal noise before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.